Let's face it, laundry is not a favorite pastime, but sending it out has always felt out of budget. Meet Blusion. With easy and secure drop-off and pickup, Blusion has built a premium laundry service around you and your lifestyle for under $25. Getting started is easy. Grab your Blusion bag, fill it, and take it to the nearest automated drop site. We'll scan your bag and get the Blusion process started. Blusion uses a high-tech system that sanitizes with cold oxidized water. No need for toxic chemicals. And it's eco-friendly too. Blusion formulated its own hypoallergenic commercial-strength detergent to lift stains and soil. Choose the fresh scent option for a clean that's light, airy, and blissfully free of heavy perfumes. Staff members at every Blusion facility are fully trained in the care of fabrics, delicates, and folding. So your favorites come back neatly repacked in your Blusion bag, ready to pop back in your closet or dresser right out of the bag. Sign up is easy, online or at your closest Blusion drop location. No contracts, no recurring billing. Pay as you go. Just scan and collect on your schedule. No fuss from start to finish. To learn more, go to blusionlaundry.com, your wash and fold service.